Hello family, how y'all doing today? I'm just doing a home spa with my husband. I've been soaking my feet about 30 minutes. I went back in for another 10 because the water had gotten too hot, so I had to take them out. You have to watch because this water gets very heated. And this is the Max Care. You get it on Amazon or Walmart. Very nice. I think it's like $29.99, but it works well. And it have the bubbles, or it have the vibration. It have the scrubs on the side right here. It have the vibration knobs, and the inside is real good. And what I do with mine, you guys, always get some type of tea or anything that's for bacteria, anything to put on mine. Today I did the vitamins A, C, and D from real fruits and vegetables. Is real good. You could drink it, or you could use it in any type of recipes you want. But I had got this doing C19, and this is a lot of my leftover stuff, so I detox my feet with it, and it smells so good. And then after that, I put like some oil on it from Safari. This oil here, oh my God, this hemp oil. Put that on your feet, and it feels good. It's body, face, and hair, and you can use it wherever you want. You can message anywhere. It's purified. It is real good, real natural. I use that. For the day I have Mr. Teal gonna help me. I already finished this, and he gonna dry them and lotion them up real well. And that's how you treat your feet. So I'm gonna get them out of here. And I got my spa person here. He's gonna wipe them off for me. They nice and clean. And after you wipe them good, what he gonna do is lotion up these legs, them calves and stuff right here, and get them toes good. And then we're gonna do the other part of it. And I'm gonna get him the lotion. And he gonna put the lotion on there. And let me see what kind of lotion you're using. Give me that lotion. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the lotion he's using. He gonna just lotion them down. And this is the Slumber. It's real good. I've been using this like for 2 years. It's real good. It's a Therpy lotion. It's a real good lotion. Real good. But I use different kind, and this is like a 10 fluorine ounce. It's real good. It's a body lotion, but I use it for the feet. And I mean, it feel good. Real good. It's real silky. It comes out on a squirt. Watch, I squirt some out for y'all. See? It's a real squirt. And you could squirt it for your masseuse and let him do the work. Get your good masseuse. Get your good masseuse or a good man. Get your good man to do it. See that? And he gets all between them toes and little toes and all under the bottom of the feet. That pressure point. Like I said, that pressure point in that middle and that toe. Oh, Lord. And that's what we're doing today. And I want to thank my massage person. He's doing a great job. I don't know how much he charging me, but he's doing a great job. Get your home spa. Have them come to your home if you ain't got a good man that want to do it. But I think all the queens should have a good man doing this. Shouldn't be no problem. You take them out of here, clean them real good, and bless them legs. Oh Lord, they feel good. Them calves. See, that's what keep them calf nice and solid and bump free. Keep them ankles nice. That's a foot massage. Oh wow. Oh Lord, it feels so good. Just relaxes you well. Then you get under them heels. So I get under them heels. That's under the heels. Ooh. And we love self-care. This is what you call self-care at home. Self-care. Don't cost you much to set up your little spa day. And I'm gonna let him get my other one. Ooh, that felt good. Here come number 2. 2 coming up. Number 2 getting wiped down. Feel good. Now you about to get that leg. I guess he gonna put his oil first. Turn it around. He gonna do the oil first on this one. That's Safari. That oil is real good, you guys. All of them real good. Putting this all back. Ooh, ooh, yes, they feel good. You know, them legs ain't the same like when you was 20 years old. You have to do some therapy on them legs. But them legs and feet, they don't be the same. When I wear them stilettos, ooh, they hurt. When I come back home from walking in them shoes, whew, I'll be like, Lord, it ain't like when I was 20. I used to go walk all night in shoes. It don't have to do this. But look how you getting all in them toes. Ooh, that feel good. Business Boss Housewife, subscribe. All about family and love. Family and love. And like I say, get you a good friend, good boyfriend, good husband, good man, or just call somebody to get them legs done. And that's the same lotion. That's by Slumber. They have good therapy lotion. See how he do that? Good therapy lotion. And I didn't have to pay no $50 a day. I did it myself. I didn't feel like going to sit down and do that. I said, shoot, I'm going to ask my husband to help me with this today. I'm going to get under them knees. It's good. Do it all. Under them heels. Get under them heels. Toes. Oh, that feel good. And like I said, you soak your feet about for 30 minutes in here. And then after that, what I do, I take me a heated towel out of the microwave and I put that heated towel on them legs and I kick back. Now I'll do that next. And this is what you call a home spa. Home spa. Therapy home spa. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, gentlemen. Or if you have a girlfriend that you trust that you want to let do your legs. I don't know. I mean, I don't do people's legs, no women legs, but I'm saying if you have that in your life, let her do it. Love is love. Right, babe? Love is love. Keep loving. So we gonna wrap this up. And then I'm gonna get down here and clean out this little bucket. And like I said, Amazon, all the supplies on Amazon or Walmart. Subscribe, like, and share. Business Boss Housewife. Now I'm going to take these legs and put me a microwave towel. Put me some oil in that towel and heat it up. And then I'm going to put it on them legs. And then I'm going to kick back. Thank you guys. Y'all have a blessed day. And I thank y'all so much for y'all support. It makes me feel so good that we have enough to share. And we all positive. And there's enough money out there for everybody. It's enough for everybody. If you ask me to subscribe or support or buy products, I'm here for you. I'm all about powerful love. We need it, especially African Americans. We need it. We got to start supporting our own. Got to start buying our own products from our own business owners. That's what we need to learn more. Hair, nails, all kind of products. I just love it. Y'all have a blessed day. Brenda Teal, Business Boss Housewife. Thank you, and may God continue blessing you. Subscribe.